Welcome to the seventh module, and this lesson will explore how AI is revolutionizing today's world industries, from project management, healthcare and finance, retail and e-commerce, and manufacturing, making the processes more efficient and accurate, also enabling data-driven decision making. First example we are going to discuss on project management. AI can significantly improve resource allocation and project management by analyzing historical project data and understanding the resource availability. AI can also recommend the most efficient use of the team members or equipment and other available resources. This helps preventing the overallocation or underutilization and ensure the right skills are applied to the right task. AI in time management helps by predicting potential delays using machine learning models. AI can analyze past project timelines and flag tasks or dependencies that are at the risk of delay. By identifying these risks early on, project managers can take proactive steps to keep the project on track. Also, in risk management, which is another area where AI excels, by analyzing previous project data, AI can identify common patterns and trends that signal a potential risks where it's a budget overruns or scope creep or resource shortages. AI can then provide an actionable insights or even recommend mitigation strategies, helping team to avoid problems before they arise. There are several software or project management software that uses the AI capabilities, like Mondays.com, which integrate AI to assist with these tasks. These platforms uses AI to automate routine tasks and optimize scheduling, and also offer a real-time insights into the team performance, allowing the project managers to focus more on strategy and decision-making tasks. Next, we have AI in healthcare. AI is transforming the healthcare with technologies improving diagnostics, treatment plans, and patient care. In this lesson, we'll discuss the wide-ranging applications of AI in the healthcare, from predictive diagnostic, robotic surgeries, and personalized medicine. Starting with the predictive diagnostics, one of the most impactful ways AI is used in healthcare is in predictive diagnostics. AI algorithms can analyze a huge amount of medical data, such as lab results, imaging scans, and patient history, to identify early signs of diseases like cancer, heart diseases, or diabetes, often with a greater accuracy than the traditional methods. A real world example in the usage of AI in cancer detection. AI powered tools like Google Health AI system have been shown to outperform human doctors in detecting breast cancer in mammograms. These tools can identify patterns that might be missed by the human eye, enabling earlier and accurate diagnosis. Let's move now to the personalized medicine. AI also is making strides in personalized medicine by analyzing individual patients' genetic data and lifestyle choices, as well as the health history of a patient. AI can recommend treatments tailored specifically to each person's unique needs. This can help optimize the treatment outcomes and minimize the side effect. Let's talk now about the robotic surgeries. AI also used in robotic surgeries um, and surgical robots like Da Vinci, which is used in minimally invasive surgeries to assist surgeons in performing precise operation. These robots analyze real-time data during the surgery, enabling highly accurate movements and reducing the risk of human error. A real world in AI in diagnostics, which is an AI in radiology and virtual health assistant, which is already changing the patient care systems. There are several tools like Zebra Medical Vision, which analyzes the medical imaging to detect issues like organ damage or lung cancer, while AI-powered virtual assistants also help with the initial consultations and patient management. Now, after we have learned how AI is revolutionizing the different industries, including project management and healthcare, now it's the time to discuss AI in finance. AI is having a huge impact on finance sector from algorithm trading to fraud detection and credit scoring. AI is helping financial institutions and banks making more informed decisions and optimizing the operation and improving the customer experience using AI. An example of AI used in algorithm training. One of the most widely discussed application of AI in finance, which is algorithm training. When AI algorithms analyze market data and execute trades at a speed and frequencies far beyond human capabilities, this algorithm uses predictive models to identify trends and make decisions in real time, optimizing the profits and minimizing losses. Credit scoring with AI. AI also uses credit scoring as one of the models that only on limited data. But AI can now incorporate a huge variety of data points such as spending behaviors and transaction history to assess a personal credit worthiness more accurately. This leads to better decisions for both lenders and borrowers. Another crucial application of AI in finance is the fraud detection. AI models can analyze patterns in financial transactions to detect fraud activities, such as identity theft or unauthorized access to the accounts. These models flag suspicious behaviors and can automatically alert security team to prevent fraud before it happens. What is the usage of AI in retail? AI is dramatically transforming the retail industry from inventory management and recommendation systems to personalized customer experiences. AI is helping retailers to enhance the efficiency and optimize the operation, also improve the customer journey. In inventory management, AI systems monitor stock levels in real time and predict demands and automate the process of ordering the out of stock items in case if they have a higher patterns of spend. This reduces the risk of stock out and overstocking, ensuring the products are available when the customer needs them. Next example is the AI driven recommendation system. AI is also at the heart of recommendation systems by analyzing customer behavior and preferences. AI can suggest products that customers are likely to be interested in, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. For example, Amazon's recommendation engine drives large portion of its sales by suggesting relevant product based on past purchases. Also, personalized customer experience. Personalization is a key in today's retail environment, and AI plays a significant and big role in delivering personalized experiences. AI tools like chatbots, which assist customers in finding products, while dynamic pricing system adjust prices based on factors like demand or competitor pricing and customer behavior. A real-world example of the usage of AI in e-commerce and retail, an example of that, which is AI-powered e-commerce platforms like Shopify, which uses AI to automate marketing campaigns, personalize product offering, and provide insights to customer behaviors. These tools help retailers to stay competitive by enhancing their online presence and improving the customer engagement. Let's move now to the usage of AI in manufacturing. AI also is transforming the manufacturing sector by optimization operations, improving product quality, and reducing costs. In this lesson, we'll look into how AI is used in predictive maintenance, automation, and supply chain optimization. Predictive maintenance. AI predictive maintenance is revolutionizing how manufacturers manage equipments by analyzing sensor data from machineries. AI can predict when a piece of equipment is likely to fail. This allows manufacturers to perform maintenance only when needed. That is reducing the downtime and avoiding expensive repairs. Next, we have AI in automation. Automation is another area where AI is making an impact. AI powered robots can perform repetitive tasks like assembly, painting, and packaging with a greater speed and precision than human workers, resulting in improving efficiency and reducing the risk of human errors. AI for supply chain optimization. AI is also improving the supply chain optimization by analyzing data from suppliers and transportation networks and inventory systems. AI can predict demand, optimize the delivery routes, and reduce the waste. This leads to cost saving and faster production times and more agile supply chain. A real world example, the usage of AI in manufacturing. Manufacturers like Siemens and GE uses AI platforms like MindSphere and Predix to monitor the equipment performance and optimize production processes, helping companies to reduce the costs and increase the uptime. As we have seen the impact of AI on different industries, the future of AI is also promising. With continuous innovation, we expect that AI will drive ongoing advancement across different sectors, including education and agriculture and cybersecurity and many different fields. We are expecting AI to increase the efficiency by providing an automation and streamlining the process and reducing the costs. We are also expecting that AI will enhance the decision-making capabilities by enabling data-driven decision-making that will lead to more informed business choices, as well as providing a personalized experience. AI will enable hyper-personalization in product and services. See what we have covered in this session. In this session, we have seen how AI is transforming a wide range of industries from project management to healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing. As the AI continues to evolve, its impact on businesses and industry will only grow, unlocking new opportunities and efficiencies.